only day one and I've done so much shopping that I've already got an unboxing video to do. New bag! So anyway, I'm so excited to share this with all of you guys because, okay, I'll just tell the story while I get him out of his little raincoat. It's been raining all day, so my Dio gets a little raincoat of its own. So anyway, the bag that I got is once again yet another Japan exclusive edition. So they were really so kind again. So this time around I actually inquired if they were going to bring this model in, and the SA was kind enough to say no, but they could have it ordered for me. So I asked if, you know, if I had it ordered online, do I have to pay? And which means I don't actually get my tax refund. And he's like, no, we'll just bring it in for you and you just pay the tax-free rate at the store. How does that even happen? So anyway, ta-da! And he was so cute. I told him I was going to do an unboxing video and he made sure that, you know, he packed it really prettily for me. Thank you! So yes, ta-da! New bag! So excited. So of course, the beautiful Dior ribbon. So excited to share this bag with you guys. And you have this. Yes, don't judge him by his size, but yeah, I got myself a micro. I don't care what people say about how it's just a useless accessory, but I'm gonna show him to you and you'll realize why. Look, firstly, it's pink, aka my favorite color. I'm just gonna remove it and show the charm to you guys. And heart shape. Yes, it's so cute. It's so me. I'm so excited. And I think the win for this is the fact that it comes with two straps. So you get the longer leather strap as well as the metal strap. So adorable. So I almost hooked it on the wrong way at the store. So it actually has, so this is actually my first Lady Joy, yep, rectangular size instead of my normal Lady Dior's. So I'm just gonna hook it here. Ta-da! Look at how cute it is. And my cousin's like, if you hate the micro, it's just because you're too fat for it. So I'm off to do a second round of shopping. So I'm showing off my new bag again.